Imagine biting into a treat so perfectly balanced that it has captured the hearts and taste buds of millions worldwide. That's the magic of Reese's, a mouth-watering combination of creamy peanut butter and smooth chocolate that has become a staple in candy culture. Reese's isn't just a candy, it's a phenomenon. Loved by kids and adults alike, these peanut butter cups are more than just a snack. They're a craving, a memory, and for some, even a tradition. From movie nights to Halloween trick-or-treat bags, Reese's is always there, bringing smiles with every bite. In this video, we'll take you behind the scenes to uncover how this legendary treat is made, from the factory floor to the store shelves. The origin of Reese's. Every great treat has a story, and Reese's peanut butter cups are no exception. This beloved candy, a perfect harmony of peanut butter and chocolate, traces its roots back to a man named Harry Burnett Reese, known simply as H.B. Reese. H.B. Reese was born on May 24, 1879, in York County, Pennsylvania. Though his early life was far removed from the candy empire he would later create, Reese always had a knack for ingenuity and a dream of making something extraordinary. In 1917, Reese found himself working for the Hershey Chocolate Company, where he quickly became inspired by the world of confectionery. It was Milton S. Hershey himself, the founder of the Hershey Company, who served as Reese's inspiration and mentor. In 1923, Reese decided to strike out on his own, driven by a vision to create his own candy brand. He set up a small business in the basement of his home, naming it the H.B. Reese Candy Company. Reese began experimenting with different recipes, crafting candies that blended various flavors and textures. But his true stroke of genius came when he combined a rich chocolate shell with a creamy peanut butter filling. Thus, Reese's Peanut Butter Cups were born in 1928, and they quickly became the company's signature product. The timing was perfect. Reese's Peanut Butter Cups stood out in a crowded market for their simplicity and irresistible flavor combination. They were different from other candies of the era, neither overly fancy nor too plain. Reese had captured lightning in a bottle with his creation, and the product gained immense popularity. Despite his success, Reese never forgot his roots. He maintained a strong relationship with the Hershey Company, even relying on Hershey's chocolate to make his peanut butter cups. This partnership proved to be mutually beneficial, solidifying Hershey's position as a leading name in the confectionery world while giving Reese's the high-quality chocolate that made his candy stand out. Following H.B. Reese's death in 1956, his company was acquired by the Hershey Company in 1963 for a then-staggering $23.5 million, paid entirely in Hershey stock. This merger marked the beginning of Reese's transformation into a global phenomenon. Today, Reese's is one of the Hershey Company's flagship brands, generating billions in annual revenue and delighting candy lovers in over 90 countries worldwide. Sourcing the ingredients. Behind every Reese's Peanut Butter Cup is a precise selection of top-quality ingredients. While the recipe might seem simple, peanut butter and chocolate, the sourcing process is anything but. The Hershey Company ensures that only the best ingredients make their way into this iconic treat, preserving the flavor that fans have cherished for decades. Let's start with the chocolate. Hershey's is renowned for its distinct, creamy milk chocolate, and this is no different for Reese's. The cacao beans used in the chocolate are carefully selected from sustainable sources around the globe, with a particular focus on regions like West Africa and South America. The beans are processed to create the silky, rich chocolate coating that perfectly complements Reese's signature peanut butter filling. Now, onto the star of the show, the peanut butter. Reese's peanut butter filling is smooth, slightly gritty, and perfectly sweetened. The peanuts used in this filling are predominantly grown in the United States, ensuring a fresh and reliable supply. Farmers work closely with the company to meet strict quality standards, as the texture and taste of the peanut butter are critical to the overall experience. The peanuts are roasted to perfection, then ground and blended with a precise mix of sugar, salt, and stabilizers. This balance is what gives Reese's its unique filling, just the right amount of sweetness to complement the chocolate, with a touch of saltiness that keeps you coming back for more. Beyond the core ingredients, other components like emulsifiers, milk, and natural flavors are sourced to enhance the candy's consistency and taste. All ingredients go through rigorous quality control to ensure they meet Reese's high standards before entering the factory. The sourcing process is not just about taste, but also sustainability. The Hershey Company has committed to ethical sourcing practices, including programs that support cocoa farmers and ensure fair wages. Similarly, efforts are made to reduce the environmental impact of peanut farming, such as promoting water conservation and soil health. By meticulously selecting each ingredient and prioritizing sustainability, Reese's ensures that every bite delivers the same unforgettable flavor while supporting a more responsible supply chain. It's a commitment to excellence that begins long before the candy reaches the factory floor. Inside the factory, the magic begins. The journey of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups truly comes to life inside the factory. With cutting-edge machinery, precision engineering, and a little bit of magic, this is where the raw ingredients are transformed into the candy we all know and love. The process begins with the peanut butter filling. After being sourced and prepared, the peanuts are roasted to a golden perfection, releasing their natural oils and enhancing their flavor. The roasted peanuts are then ground into a fine paste and blended with sugar, salt, and a touch of secret ingredients to create Reese's signature filling. This mixture is continuously stirred and tested for consistency, ensuring it has the perfect texture and taste. Next, the chocolate coating is prepared. The cacao beans, which have already been refined and processed in a cocoa liquor, are mixed with milk, sugar, and emulsifiers to create that signature Hershey's chocolate flavor. The chocolate is tempered, a process that involves carefully heating and cooling the mixture to achieve the ideal sheen and snap. This step ensures that Reese's cups maintain their shape and texture, even after packaging. Once the shells are ready, precision machinery injects the peanut butter filling into the center of each mold. The filling is carefully measured to ensure that every Reese's cup has the same creamy, indulgent core. A second layer of melted chocolate is then poured over the filling, sealing it inside and completing the cup. As the cups move down the line, they pass through another cooling tunnel. This step ensures that the chocolate sets perfectly, locking in the creamy peanut butter filling and creating the iconic Reese's texture. Throughout the process, factory workers and automated systems perform continuous quality checks. Cameras, sensors, and even taste tests are used to ensure that each cup meets Reese's high standards. Imperfections are quickly spotted and removed, guaranteeing that only the best products make it to the next stage. The assembly line, efficiency in action. Once the Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are crafted, they enter the heart of the production facility, the assembly line. This part of the process is a dazzling display of efficiency and organization, designed to ensure that every cup is packaged and ready to delight consumers as quickly as possible. Next comes the wrapping stage. This is where technology truly shines. High-speed machines carefully wrap each cup in its iconic orange, brown, and yellow packaging. The wrappers are precisely designed to protect the candy while also maintaining its freshness. The machines operate at astonishing speeds, wrapping hundreds of cups per minute, yet are calibrated to handle the delicate chocolate without causing damage. As the cups move further along the line, they are grouped into their final packaging. Whether destined for single servings, multi-packs, or family-sized bags, the cups are arranged according to their packaging specifications. Robotic arms and automated sorters ensure that each pack is filled with the correct number of cups before being sealed and labeled. Once inspected and approved, the packages are ready for distribution. They are boxed and stacked onto pallets, which are loaded onto trucks bound for stores and warehouses across the globe. This seamless flow from production to shipping ensures that Reese's Peanut Butter Cups are always in stock and ready to satisfy cravings. The assembly line is not just about speed and efficiency. It's also about maintaining the integrity of the product. Every step is meticulously designed to uphold the quality and consistency that have made Reese's a household name. From the first chocolate shell to the final packaged product, the assembly line is a marvel of modern engineering and a key reason why Reese's remains one of the most beloved candies in the world. Quality control. Perfection in every bite. Quality is at the core of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups. Each step of the manufacturing process is carefully monitored to ensure that the final product meets the high standards fans have come to expect. From the selection of ingredients to the final packaging, Reese's employs a rigorous quality control system that leaves no room for error. During the production process, quality control teams are stationed at critical points along the assembly line. These teams, equipped with advanced tools and technology, perform real-time inspections to ensure consistency. For example, they check the thickness of the chocolate shell, the smoothness of the peanut butter filling, and the overall appearance of each cup. One of the most fascinating aspects of quality control is the use of automated imaging systems. Cameras capture high-speed images of the peanut butter cups as they move along the line, analyzing them for imperfections such as air bubbles, uneven edges, or inconsistencies in color. This system can flag even the smallest defects, ensuring that only the best products proceed to the next stage. But machines aren't the only ones ensuring quality. Humans play a crucial role too. Skilled workers conduct taste tests, sampling random batches to verify that the flavor and texture are just right. They also perform hands-on inspections, using their expertise to spot any issues that might escape the automated systems. Once the cups are wrapped and packaged, they undergo one final round of checks. Weight sensors confirm that each package contains the correct number of cups, while sealing tests ensure that the wrappers and outer packaging are secure. Any anomalies are flagged, and the affected packages are set aside for further evaluation. Global distribution, from factory to fans. Once Reese's peanut butter cups are crafted to perfection and packaged with care, they embark on an impressive journey to reach chocolate and peanut butter enthusiasts around the globe. This stage, known as distribution, is a sophisticated network that ensures the candy arrives fresh and ready to satisfy cravings. The first step in global distribution is storage. After production, the packaged Reese's products are stored in temperature-controlled warehouses. These facilities are specifically designed to maintain optimal conditions, ensuring that the chocolate remains solid and the peanut butter filling stays creamy. By controlling humidity and temperature, Reese's prevents issues like melting or bloomed chocolate, which can impact appearance and taste. From these warehouses, the products are loaded onto trucks for transport to distribution centers across the country and internationally. Logistics plays a crucial role in this phase, as the goal is to minimize transit time while maintaining quality. Each shipment is meticulously planned, with routes optimized to reduce delays and ensure that Reese's peanut butter cups reach store shelves as quickly as possible. For international destinations, Reese's employs additional layers of planning. Shipments destined for overseas markets are loaded into refrigerated containers or climate-controlled cargo holds on airplanes. Customs regulations are carefully adhered to, ensuring smooth entry into each country. This meticulous coordination allows Reese's to maintain its reputation for quality, even when traveling thousands of miles. The global distribution of Reese's peanut butter cups is a testament to the brand's dedication to excellence. By combining advanced logistics, strategic planning, and an unwavering focus on quality, Reese's ensures that its candy reaches millions of fans in the same perfect condition it leaves the factory. From bustling urban centers to remote rural areas, Reese's has mastered the art of connecting with chocolate and peanut butter lovers worldwide. Why Reese's remains a fan favorite. Reese's peanut butter cups have held a special place in the hearts and taste buds of candy lovers for decades. But what exactly makes them so irresistible? The answer lies in a unique combination of flavor, nostalgia, and innovation. First and foremost, it's all about the taste. The perfect balance of creamy peanut butter and smooth milk chocolate is a winning formula that appeals to a wide range of palates. Reese's delivers a harmonious blend of sweet and salty, crunchy and creamy, creating a sensory experience that few candies can match. This signature flavor profile is what sets Reese's apart and keeps fans coming back for more. Beyond the taste, Reese's benefits from a rich heritage that evokes nostalgia. Many fans grew up enjoying Reese's as a treat, whether as part of a lunchbox snack, a Halloween haul, or a reward for a job well done. These fond memories create an emotional connection to the brand, making each bite a trip down memory lane. Another factor contributing to Reese's popularity is its versatility. Whether enjoyed on its own, as part of a dessert, or as an ingredient in recipes, Reese's peanut butter cups are more than just a candy. they're a culinary staple. From Reese-themed milkshakes and cupcakes to creative holiday recipes, the brand has inspired countless ways to indulge. Lastly, Reese's has a knack for connecting with fans on a personal level. Through promotions, limited edition releases, and customer engagement initiatives, the brand fosters a sense of community among its loyal followers. Reese's isn't just a candy. It's a shared experience that brings people together. With its unmatched flavor, nostalgic appeal, innovative spirit, and ability to connect with consumers, it's no wonder Reese's Peanut Butter Cups remain a fan favorite. They've transcended their status as a mere candy to become a cultural phenomenon, beloved by millions around the world. This wraps up our deep dive into the fascinating world of Reese's. From its humble beginnings to its iconic status today, Reese's is a story of passion, quality, and a relentless commitment to delighting candy lovers everywhere. Wrapping up the sweet journey. And there you have it. The incredible journey of Reese's Peanut Butter Cups, from their humble beginnings in H.B. Reese's kitchen to becoming a global candy sensation. Whether you're savoring a classic Reese's cup, trying out a new flavor, or experimenting with it in a recipe, you're enjoying a treat that's been crafted with care and loved by millions. But the story doesn't end here. Reese's continues to innovate and surprise its fans with new creations and seasonal favorites. So, the next time you unwrap that iconic orange package, take a moment to appreciate the history, craftsmanship, and passion that make Reese's a timeless favorite. What's your favorite Reese's product? Is it the classic cup, Reese's Pieces, or maybe one of the seasonal treats? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a sweet adventure. We've got more behind-the-scenes looks at your favorite brands, products, and their fascinating production processes.